The four types of Ielts writing task 2. Now let's look at some examples of the four different types of task 2 essays you may have to write about. The most common type of task 2 requires you to give an opinion or challenge a point of view. Here is an example. The same question type could also be presented like this. You could also be given a question like this. The basic point of these questions is that you are presented with a situation or a statement that you have to give opinions about. The second type for task 2 essay is when you are asked to compare a point of view. Here is an example. Notice how the instructions tell us to discuss both the advantages and the disadvantages. Then give an opinion. In this example, we are told to argue both opinions and give your view. The way in which we approach essays that ask us to compare is slightly different to the type that asks us to give an opinion or challenge a point of view, as will be discussed later in the course. The final two types of task 2 essay are the least common. We may be asked to give solutions to a problem or discuss a given situation. For instance, talking about benefits, causes, or reasons. Here's an example of solutions essay. Here are examples of essays which require you to discuss a given situation. Knowing which type of essay you are writing about is important because it affects the way you plan and present your ideas. We will look at this in more detail later in the course. But on the next page, you will see a list of common task words for the different essay types. You can often identify which type of task 2 you're writing about from the task words themselves.